and I know your obviously your size is in your
Mm.
genes, and your father or mother or somebody in your bloodline must have had massive genes. Well, not genes, gene,
Yeah.
but your farm work gave you the power and the size. It
Yeah.
wasn't Jim.
No, absolutely. You know, my father forced me to carry fertilizer back 50 kgs. I had to carry it on my head because he said, if you want to be, if you're going to be a prop, your neck must be strong. And he forced me to carry that and walk in,
Yeah,
in the pastures and between the grass poles and stuff. So in some sense, I don't think he knew what he did, but some sense that obviously developed stabilizers and stuff like that, because you have to look and your proprioception of where to put your feet, because you can't,
yeah,
if there's a rock or whatever, don't put it on the rock. And then the other funny thing is, obviously being South African, we love braai.
yeah,
And my father had that drum braaier.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And he would, while he braaiing, I had to stand on my head against the wall of the house so I could get my neck strong.
For rugby.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So he said, if you're going to play there, your neck must be strong.